Introducing NTX Building Products. With beginnings as a commercial dealer for Solatube's tubular daylighting, the company has expanded to offer a wide range of architectural products from manufacturers such as Ezobord, Quiet Earth Moss, and Spectrim, as well as Reclaimed Wood Table and Desktops. Solatube Tubular Daylighting Devices exemplify cutting-edge energy efficiency, contributing to LEED certifications. These devices not only usher in the myriad benefits of natural sunlight, fostering an environment that enhances well-being and productivity, but also ensure true-to-color interior design. With integrated temperature regulation, Solatube devices offer a consistent and comfortable atmosphere. Furthermore, they act as sentinels, blocking harmful UV rays, while the availability of dimmers and LED light kits grants users precise control over their lighting experience, merging sustainability with tailored illumination. Ezobord emerges as a leading solution for noise pollution. Crafted from PET recyclable materials to champion sustainability. Boasting an extensive color catalog, Ezobord not only addresses acoustic challenges, but also serves as a versatile tool for space division and noise reduction. With custom design options and a functional approach prioritizing productivity, Ezobord is a holistic choice for those seeking aesthetic and acoustic solutions in their spaces. Quiet Earth Moss stands at the intersection of functionality and aesthetics, offering acoustic sound absorption with its preserved moss. Beyond being a low-maintenance greenery solution, it brings health, happiness, and productivity benefits to spaces. With a diverse palette of colors and textures and the option for custom design, Quiet Earth Moss offers a unique and harmonious blend of nature and acoustic innovation. NTX Building Products presents Reclaimed Wood Tabletops, embodying eco-friendly sustainability with a rustic touch. Available in 3 shapes and a variety of sizes to fit your needs. These wood tops are perfect for tables, desk, and bar tops. Choose from the charm of natural wood, the crisp elegance of whitewash finishes, or the boldness of printed metal to elevate your space with a blend of environmental consciousness and timeless aesthetics. Introducing Spectrim, whose Ventforma wall protection provides a durable and scratch-resistant solution designed for high-use environments. With 16 easy-to-clean finishes and the option for custom finishes, Spectrim is versatile and ideal for a range of settings, including healthcare, senior living, corporate spaces, education, government, and more. Elevate your interiors with practicality and style through Spectrim wall protection. If you have any questions or would like to chat with our experts, contact NTX Building Products today.